Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. And guys, look at all these yummy snacks I got from CVS during the clearance. All of these items were 75% off. Look, I got a ton of stuff, guys. So, I'm going to show you a video of different things that are 75% off in the store. Some of the stuff I bought, which you can see here, but some things I didn't get. I wasn't going to buy it just because it was on sale, just because it was 75% off, because I'm not going to eat it. My family's not going to eat it. I'm not going to resell it. So I didn't get it. But I still put it in the video to give you guys a sense of what it costs, just in case you eat it or just in case you wanted to buy it. So in the video, you will see the price as well as the SKU. I'm showing you how I scanned it at the red machine. Mind you, none of this stuff was tagged in my store. I just had to scan everything. And that's what you'll have to do if your store is not tagged. Some of the stuff I found in with the summer clearance, but again, it wasn't tagged. And some of the stuff I found in the snack section. So guys, get your phones out so you could take some screenshots, or get a pencil and paper out so you could take notes, and look through your CRTs, see if you have any full CRTs so that you can match that up and lower your out of pocket, or if you have any coupons. I didn't have any coupons for anything. I didn't even try to search for any coupons, because when I went to the store, I wasn't planning on getting any of this. I just happened to check while I was there. Now, for those of you that are following me on my whole make the basket situations and videos, I'm going to use a lot of these snacks to make baskets. So for example, like all of the blue stuff, everything that has blue in it is going to go in my Dallas Cowboys NFL baskets. Everything that has red or orange in it is going to go either in my San Francisco 49ers or my Washington Redskins football baskets. Or they're not the Redskins anymore. What are the Redskins called again? The National Football Team or something? I don't know. Well, whatever they're called, it's going to go in the Washington basket and the 49ers baskets, and like those pretzels too. And then anything with green in it is going to go in the Philadelphia Eagles baskets. So that's just give you a sense of what I'm going to do with all this stuff, because I really bought more than this. But I just put like a couple of everything that I bought up here so that you guys can see. So I'm going to go ahead, show you the video. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know if you were able to get any of these deals. Let me know if you're going to get any of these deals. Share this video with your friends, your family, and get ready to watch the video. And at the end, I have a surprise for you guys. So just hold on, okay? Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed that part of the video. And I hope you're able to find some stuff. So let me tell you what the surprise is. So if you're able to find the Oreo fireworks or the Oreo Pride cookies, you see that they scanned for $1.62. Guys, look. Ibotta has $1 rebate for them, up to 5 packs. So you see, that's why I got so many. So if you have the Ibotta rebate for $1 back on each one, that'll make them 62 cents a pack. Guys, that's amazing for some Oreos. So hope you're able to find everything. Oh, there's one other thing that I found that I did not put in the video. Let me show you what that is. Check to see if your store has these Cheez-Its, the white cheddar kind. They are regularly $3.99, of course 75% off, and those come down to 85 cents. I forgot to take a picture in the store to scan those for you guys. So there you are. Go get your snacks, and thank you guys for watching. Until the next time, keep on saving.